So again, what those low rep warm-up sets are doing are just getting me ready for the heavier weight and protecting me against injury. So some people might be like, well, what if I'm younger and I feel good? Can I just go right to my heaviest weight there? I would still say no, because there's an excitation process that's happening. Like you're just getting your nervous system fired up to touch the heavier weight. So I'm gonna do 215 right now. So if I just went to 215, it would feel heavy as a truck, and my performance on it would be worse than it will be now after doing a set of 5, a set of 3, and a set of 1 with 155, 170, and 185. Yeah. So a fully lengthened lat is if you turn your palm up, that's as high as I can go.
Yeah.
If I go neutral or even pronated, I can do this. This machine is designed really well because it gets you to that end range, and that's much safer. That's why a lot of people destroy their elbows and shoulders doing chin-ups, because they're here. They don't have the shoulder or the thoracic mobility to get here, and then your elbow takes a lot of stress, your shoulder takes a lot of stress. This whole line was really well designed. This is where I want lats to be, not over here like this. You need to actually slide back a little.
Okay.
And then keep yourself here.
Okay.
So I don't think you'll bottom it out at that point, but just maybe lean back a tiny bit if you do.
I think I was too far up, yeah.
And then you're just thinking about doing this, right?
Okay.
So your elbows have to bend on this, but you're just thinking about coming down. Okay. And that way I'm just engaging my lats. I'm just good. So go like this. And slight supination on this one.
Okay, so like this all the way down?
Yeah. Okay. Lean back a tiny bit. Right there. Stay there. Yeah. Yeah. Chest up more at the bottom.
Nice.
How'd that feel?
Felt good, yeah. Yeah, no shoulder pain on that. That was good.
So as we get later into the workout, the reps on warm-up sets will drop down to minimize fatigue. Already did like 3 or 4 ramp-up sets here, and then a couple more work sets. So here, I'm not gonna be doing 8 to 10s on my warm-up sets just to tire me out and cause unnecessary fatigue. So I'll do a set of 5, I'll do a set of 3, and then if I'm going really a lot heavier, I might just do a single just to touch the weight, and that's it. There's nothing productive about these warm-ups. It's just getting me ready for the heavier weight, and this is a new range, right? So we're going overhead versus here now. So instead of doing 10 here, that's good, that's it. And then I'll touch one heavier weight and then I'll jump in.